Okay, so I want to show you what we created in our backyard. You wonder what the Happy Wanderers have been up to? Well, I'm going to show you. So let's try to turn this camera around. That might be tricky. Well, let me see what I can do. Okay, so I want to set the mood. So there is your fireplace. There's the stream. The babbling brook, as I like to call it. And there is your accommodations. 74 Shasta with the wings, the original wings, Stratoflyte. It's pretty cool, if I do say so myself. Got these old retro style rocking chairs out here. The doors all decked out, colorful old camping decals. Got a step up inside. We've got an electric fireplace. We've got a smart TV. We've got all kinds of cool decorations. We got a Coca-Cola theme, Coca-Cola refrigerator, all kinds of Coke stuff. Sleeping for 2 people, 2 twin-size beds. The electric fireplaces and electric heater. Got all your stuff for coffee. The windows all around with screens in them. They all open. Roof vents. Got a light you can turn on and off right by the bed. Adirondack prints. This pine floor we put down. Everything in here is basically new. You've got a charging station for your phone right here built into this lamp. And this is how close you are to that sound of the beautiful Barton Brook in our backyard in Elizabethtown, New York. And there she is, the other half of the Happy Wanderers. And your bathroom is right over there. I will point. Let's see. It's right there. Hot shower, flush toilet. That's it, folks. It's on Airbnb. Got it marked down. Need the reviews. Come see us.